Creating your Payhip account begins with visiting payhip.com and clicking the Get Started Free button. This takes you to the registration page where you'll begin building your online store. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link and click it to confirm your account. Now you'll set up your store's basic information. Enter your store name and write a clear description of what you sell. Select your business category from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred currency and set your time zone for accurate order processing. Customize your storefront to match your brand. Upload your logo and banner images to create a professional appearance. Choose a color scheme that reflects your brand identity, select appropriate fonts, and set up your navigation menu to help customers find products easily. Finally, configure your store policies to protect both you and your customers. Set up your refund policy to clearly state your return conditions. Create a privacy policy explaining how you handle customer data, and establish terms of service that outline the rules for using your store. Your Payhip account and basic store setup is now complete. You have successfully created your account, configured your store information, customized your storefront, and established your policies. Your online store foundation is ready for the next steps in the setup process. Setting up payment processing is crucial for your Payhip store. You'll need to integrate two main payment gateways to accept payments from customers worldwide. Stripe integration allows you to accept credit and debit cards directly. This expands your payment options and provides a seamless checkout experience for customers. Configure your payout preferences to determine how and when you receive your earnings. Set your preferred currency, payout frequency, and minimum payout amounts. Tax settings must be configured based on your location and business type. This ensures compliance with local tax regulations and proper handling of sales tax collection. Identity verification is required to ensure security and compliance. You'll need to upload a government-issued photo identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Address verification requires uploading a recent utility bill, bank statement, or other official document that shows your name and current address. This document must be dated within the last 3 months. If you're operating as a business entity, you'll need to provide business registration documents. This includes your business license, articles of incorporation, or assumed name certificate. Bank account verification ensures secure payouts to your account. This process involves confirming your bank account details and may include micro-deposit testing to verify account ownership. The complete verification process typically takes 2 to 5 business days. During this time, avoid making changes to your account information, as this may delay the verification process. Once verified, you'll be able to receive payouts and access all platform features.